Hello everyone and welcome to a monthly update with Shirofune. Today I'm gonna bring you great news about updates that we made on the platform. First of all, we're going to talk about the AMC integration that we just launched, followed by Amazon DSP and Google DV's 360. We are also gonna cover our new budgeting feature within Shirofune, as well as our new campaign score reporting. Let's dive right into it. The AMC integration with Amazon Marketing Cloud is an exciting new feature launched by Shirofune that really allows you to optimize your campaigns to a whole new level. First of all, you will be able to optimize campaigns for new customer order or new customers, for lifetime value of your customers, or for predicted lifetime value, indicating essentially a prediction of this lifetime value by 12 months. So while the lifetime value is the actual developed as of today, the predicted LTV focuses on a 12-month date range to predict what a campaign will generate over the course of the next 12 months. In addition to that, Shirofune allows you to compare different attribution methods, and you can also customize what attribution you use for each campaign when you optimize them. In this example here, we are comparing 14 days purchase, new customer ROAS, true LTV, and predicted LTV. And if we look at the first campaign, we can see that they spent nearly $5,000 with a revenue of $45,000. New customers were accounting for $27,000 of the $45,000. This $27,000 from June, they already became $32,000, and within the next 12 months, they will become $41,000. So as you can see, a very in-depth analysis that helps you understand what campaigns could generate better profitability for you. An example, let's look at the third campaign that spent $3,100 for $4,000 in new customers. And this campaign, the fifth one, they spent $2,000 to generate $5,000 in new customers, and these new customers are gonna become $11,000. So here, spending $3,000 to generate $6,000 lifetime in new customers should get less budget than the fifth campaign that is going to generate nearly double the lifetime ROAS in new customers. So as you can see, the bidding method could be optimized toward long-term profitability using Shirofune's AMC integration. Our efforts to integrate with new platforms is not stopping. This month alone, we launched the integration with DV360, and Amazon DSP really just got connected to Shirofune. So now the amount of platforms you can link has increased even further, and it will increase further in the coming month. AMC, DSP, and DV360 are just three of the platforms that we are going to integrate with. We are about to launch an integration with Reddit coming up very soon, and this is going to be very exciting for all advertisers expanding on this new exciting platform for advertisers. Let's now talk a little bit more about technical improvements to the platform. Goal settings required you to set up custom goal settings per budget, and that was a little bit of a problem since it required for complex accounts a lot of time. Well, right now we can group together multiple budget groups into a different goal setting. We listened to your feedback and we implemented it. This is going to allow you to save even more time, given that you can now group together budget groups. Last but not least, we implemented a new reporting feature that allows you to compare campaigns during different time periods, and then we will calculate an impact score telling you what got better and what got worse. If you click on Analyze, a report will download analyzing why a campaign got better or worse and identifying opportunities and weaknesses of your campaign in just under 1 minute. Thank you very much for tuning in. I'm looking forward to speaking with you guys next month for our August update.